I'm Bob Underhill from Lawmaster Head Office. We've come to this job over the last couple of days just to give people more insight to some of the bigger jobs that we do and what's involved in the regenerate process. Well, we started with a lawn which is in a particularly poor state. The soil quality was suffering. Some of the larger equipment we can sometimes use are stone buriers. This machine digs into the ground at high speed and turns the lawn over and buries it up to 6 inches lower. This brings the better quality soil to the surface and effectively recycles the lawn. This saves a lot of messy time and effort by removing the old lawn and removing tonnage, and then having the extra cost of replacing reusable soil in. This is especially useful when the surface soil and debris needs removing or recycling in situ. We also use smaller machines which are very useful, very powerful. This machine we use the majority of the time, I would say, drags out the dead debris and the thatch out of the lawn. Next is evening out the undulations of the old lawn, if this has been quoted for or recommended. Some of this levelling and undulations can be taken out with the dressing that we use, and this forms the top, firmer layer of the soil. The right seed choice is very important if you want a fine lawn, hard wearing, good in the shade, tolerance. The seed is applied via broadcast spreaders, and the dressing is then applied over the top. The dressing application can be applied by hand or mechanical means. Some of the larger spreaders you see here can accurately and evenly spread 1/4 of a tonne in just over 3 minutes. And then again, the lawn is seeded over the top. What's in the dressing? What has taken us the most time to perfect this process has always been working with the ingredients. We do not use recycled PAS 100 waste material that is basically waste out of your green bin. This dressing is manufactured solely for the job. It has taken us years to perfect this product, and initial testing took over 3 years to get this product manufactured right. In 2019 we actually applied over 1,800 tonnes of this product on customers' lawns. We have a pure blend manufactured from some of the best dressing and sand producers in Europe. They have to get this product right for sporting venues. This product is 100% disease-free, unlike PAS 100 waste material. We invented this product over 10 years ago, in 2008. After trying to find an alternative to turfing, we have managed to preload this product with a wetting agent to help hold posture in the soil and early germination parts. It also includes a pre-seed fertiliser to help new shoots of grass develop faster and speed up the all-important first cut. When we decided to offer this new method, we were pleasantly surprised that we could offer this service to customers for about 1/4 of the cost of returfing their lawn, with less hassle and mess to boot. This has been a very successful process since we launched it, and Lawnmaster is proud to have some of the most experienced turf professionals in the industry that now run and operate individual sites across the UK. On these larger jobs, one of the most frequent questions we tend to get from customers are, how are we going to get the equipment through? How are we going to get the tonnage of soil required to do this job through? Again, the use of this machine is recycling the soil on site. So there is very, very little that we'll need bringing in. We just rejuvenate the soil that we've already got with this piece of equipment. This equipment is transportable and can be brought in through a standard garden gate. So if you've got a particularly large lawn like this one, just to give you a rough idea, this job will be completed in under 3 days from start to finish.